you can upgrade your composting level. So right now you have a composting system set up and are using it regularly. You have your list and are composting everything that works with the system that you chose. But don't think that just because you have a compost bin that you're done. There are other things that you can do to make sure that you are being as eco-friendly as possible and reducing your food waste. While the compost bin solves the problem of the food waste going to the landfill, you are still throwing away food. Just because I say you should compost doesn't mean that you shouldn't also be trying to reduce the amount of food waste that ends up in the compost. You need to start looking at what food waste is going into the compost bin that you could still use or that could have been prevented from going into the bin. For example, the moldy strawberries that got dumped could have been eaten before they became bad. You could have cut them up, used them in smoothies, used them in pie, made jelly, whatever with them, when you noticed that they were getting a little mushy and that no one was eating them. That's the type of food waste that you need to look at and see how you can prevent it from becoming waste. You could also look at food waste that goes in and find different ways to use it, even if it is normally considered waste. For example, taking all the ends of vegetables and saving them in your freezer to make stock, or saving orange peels to dry for cleaning sprays. Start making some changes to help minimize the amount of food that you are putting into the compost bin. Once you begin paying attention to the food in your fridge and what ends up in the compost bin, you can reduce the amount of food waste that you compost, helping to make sure that you use the food that you pay money for and stop over-consuming. This will make your home even more eco-friendly and allow you to be thrilled at how much you can benefit the community and the environment. If you thought this was important and needed for you, get on the waitlist for my course, How to Become Eco-Friendly in a Way That Works for You. One of the main modules is different waste systems and how to make those work in your home. It also talks about how to change your mindset and your shopping habits. Once you are on the waitlist, you will get first dibs and special pricing when it launches.